Camtasia records more than just your screen. Your cursor and its actions are also part of your recording and can be edited to add polish to your video. The cursor helps tell your story. It draws the viewer's attention, like a cat to a laser pointer. Camtasia has several tools to improve the look and movement of your cursor. Number 1. Replace the cursor. Choose between several options available in Camtasia or upload your own. Number 2. Edit the cursor's path. Make it easier to follow your cursor. Move points along the path, add new points, or delete them. Number 3. Create a cursor path. Animate a cursor over an image, screenshot, or an MP4 recorded outside of Camtasia to help tell your story. To learn step by step how each of these tools work, check out our other tutorials.